Freshers' Day celebrations were held grandly in ZPGHS Plus Girls Junior College, Tekkali, Srikakulam District, AP on 30th August 2024. Senior inter students welcomed junior inter students fondly. Principal Srimati Shobarani Madam Garu, while blessing students, she expressed her happiness over this year inter new admissions. This year, almost all inter MPC and BPC seats were filled. It is remarkable achievement in plus colleges not only in our district but entire state. Vidya Committee Chairman Sugnu Garu, Incharge Principal Visiramu Garu, Maths Lecturer Venkatramana Garu, English Lecturer Anandarao Garu, Botany Lecturer Mohan Rao Garu, Geology Lecturer B.A. Naidu Garu, Physics Lecturer Srinivas Garu, Chemistry Lecturer Appalswamy Garu, Telugu Lecturer Sridhar Garu, Integrated Hostel Warden Vijayalakshmi Garu, BC Hostel Warden Shravani Garu also spoke. Last year, inter first and second year toppers Spurti, Rishita, Aruna, Bhumika, Dilleswari were given cash awards sponsored by Srimati Vanisri Madam Garu, Chemistry Lecturer Appalswamy Garu. Old and present inter students also spoke. On this occasion, Science Lab was inaugurated by Vidya Committee Chairman, Principal Madam and staff members. Students felicitated Principal Madam, Incharge Madam, Vidya Committee Chairman, Wardens and lecturers on this occasion. They advised students to get good name and fame to the college by getting good results in terms of marks and with their good behavior. After lunch, colorful cultural activities were performed by inter first and second year students.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि